Guys, I'll show you how to install WhatsApp without WhatsApp store, without Microsoft. Okay guys, I want to show you how to install WhatsApp without Microsoft Store. Plus, you search WhatsApp, no store, GitHub. Okay, WhatsApp, no store, GitHub. So then you choose this one. Okay. Okay. Choose release here. Then you download the zip file. Okay, you see here. Oh, suspicious. I skip. Yes, don't worry about that. Nice. Okay, then we go to the download. Okay, here. Okay, we extract all. Extract all. Then we open the file here. The file. Okay, and then we click the file WhatsApp updater.exe here. Okay, we are waiting. Waiting. It might take little bit long. Okay. Oh, yes. Okay, it's downloading here. Okay, be patient. It's downloading. Okay. Download complete. It's installing. Just wait. Okay, it's success, guys. Okay, we got WhatsApp here. Okay, you can see. Where is WhatsApp? Okay, here WhatsApp. It's successfully installed. Okay, without Microsoft Store. Okay, it's easy, very easy. Okay, thanks for watching. Okay, it's working, guys. It's working. Okay, thanks.